way I grew up Amish, and we always made our own caskets. There was one person in the community, assigned to that, and when the need arose, they would, get the body measurements and go to work. And well, in a situation like that, wherever you are, you jump in and you help. Whatever needs to be done, you'll just do it. The community comes together within a very short time. The most popular one is the oak. This one is the red cedar. This is the Amish style, which is similar to the Amish, but yet different. This is a pine box. I keep getting requests, people want a pine box. So I was looking for something that there's a genuine need for it, but yet not everyone else is doing it. So, and it came back to caskets. My father-in-law used to be a casket maker. I was going to go help my father-in-law, my future father-in-law, help him work on they were building a barn. And I did go over there to help him, but instead of helping him on the barn, I helped him make the casket. That probably kind of left an impression on me, that there is, sometimes we don't see the things or the people and the activities and all the planning that goes on behind something. I try to always be praying over the one that I'm working on, that whoever is going to be using that they'd be ready to go, that they would, that they'd know the Lord and be ready to go. But I grew up, my dad, he was always working at home in his shop, so I kind of grew up with the idea, of being able to work in your own shop and making something that, there's a need for. So the work ethic is a good thing, from growing up Amish. You try to make it that there's no second guessing the quality, or I guess a safe rule of thumb would be you don't make something that you wouldn't want to use yourself. Of course, I don't want to use a casket, but you know what I mean, the quality.